Welcome back to I Want a Lockpick, where today we're going to be playing through World 3. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot I can run. Last time we beat World 2, so now we're going into World 3-1. Indiscriminate doors. These better not be doors that can be opened by any key. Oh. Okay. So you only need one color, but when all your keys disappear. So that ain't great. It's not great. I get how these work. Hopefully nothing's going to be as bad as the nightmare that was 2-D last time. 3-2, similar hallways. Those are similar hallways. What's the difference? There is no difference, they're just similar hallways. Oh wait, no, there's these ones. There's blank doors. I have to get all of these. So I want to open these four, right? I want to... No. I want to open the four with... But I'm not going to do all of them. Just that many. So that I can... No, yes, that many. Wait. So, hang on, who do I want to open? The ones with or without? I'll open one without for now. So the goal here is to... I just have problems with seeing what the goal is. Because I get that you have to get 8 keys. I need a... The blast door wants me to get rid. So yeah, I do have to open the ones without, right? So that I can grab all of the ones. And then take away the keys. Yeah, why didn't I get that? Who knows? Yeah, it was really simple. This 3-3? What's down here? 3-5. Okay. Double blast. Oh no, it's another spend all your keys puzzle. You only get a chance to use one blast door. Unrelated, I'm noting lots of multiples of 5 here. That is quite suspicious. I'm not really noticing many multiples of 5, I'm more just noticing 5s. Like, I mean, sure the keys are multiples of 5, yeah. Wait, we only get to use one blast door. Gulp. So this uses 24. 25. 30. if I use that one right there. Yeah, that'll do it. We do that. 0. And, like, who cares about the rest? Just, like, the last door mess up. Which one? White. (3-4). Cargo left. Cargo left? Car no go left. Cargo road. Look at this room, it's almost as if you're on an elevator. Although, aren't elevators operated by pulleys? I just see a bunch of inert wooden gears here. This isn't an elevator at all. No hints to the puzzle, just complaining about no elevator. Understandable. Now, let me test something. Oh, whoops, wrong button again. What happens if I use that? If I have multiple, at least would I use all of them? I don't know. But anyway. Goal is to have 0 blue keys. I think that one will be the one that I have to use the key on. Let's just keep going. No, because I'll have 0 anyway. Hang on, destroy 4 less? Oh. This is the 4 less. How much is this? 12. Okay, so there's a lot of multiples of 6 here. Note the only not multiples of 3 here. Yeah, the only not multiples of 3 here are these two. So when I use that blast door, I'm gonna have to... Okay. Can I leave this for later? What if I use all 5 of those on there? What was the plan? I don't know. Don't think there was one. Okay. Just... if I destroy this one and I get 18 instead. Go back to when I had 0 quickly. What's the button? Oh, I don't have the key anymore. So I'm always going to be left with 1. I have to find some way to change it right at the beginning. Now we're back. Back where? Dunno. Still left with one. Need to have 0. So that's 5 there. But the fact that it's 2 doors. Actually, I'm gonna have to use my power key on one of them, the master key. But which one? I know how to choose. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If you do that with just 2, it's always going to be the one on the right. If you do that with 3, it'll still be eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If its wheels, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So it'll be the first one. But if you do it with 4, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If its wheels, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. It'll be the last one again. Wonder, if you did it with 5, would it be the first one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If it squeals, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Isn't that interesting? No, it isn't interesting. Get on with the video. Shut up. I just wanted to have some fun. So in conclusion, the only way to change it up is by keeping the 5 we had at the start. Doing that. Yeah, that's literally the only way I see being able to do this. Because now... Oh, there's 9. Problem. There are still quite a few things that need to be sorted out. Like that. Boom, there we go. So yeah, the only way to switch up was by destroying that, so we still kept it. Bad choices. Oh, 2 words of my life. That... Indiscriminate keys. New type of key. Holy. When you touch triangle key, it overwrites your keycap. I have 3 keys! I have 1 key. 3 keys! Three keys. 2 key. 2 keys. Interesting. You know what's also interesting? Bank accounts. You know, with this profit margin we've got... Actually, these new keys are called exact keys, not triangle keys. At the very least, can we both agree to call them cool? Hang on, are we calling these triangle keys, exact keys, or cool keys? I'm confused now, who cares? I get 5 from that. So that gets me 5. I get 4. Destroy this 2. This. This 4. Hang on, undo that. Instead, grab that. Grab this. 1. Oh no. But I need to use the exact key for an exact door. Like, let me say, ooh, that's the one I have to save it for. Or that one. So if I do... Well, I have to have exactly 6 when I do it. actually have to use a time when I have a larger amount of keys. Seven. If I destroy that now, down to 1. If I use this to get it down to there, now I have 4. Now I have 4, but now I need 5. So I need to open that when I have 5, which I could have done earlier, but guess who didn't? Now destroy it while you have a lot. Also, grab the blue keys. What am I doing? It's gonna make me have to do more work later to get the blue keys. Anyway, spare key, use it on that. There we go. Odd even numbers. I don't think those exist, but okay. Oh, this place is like to be out mission. Right now the only thing keeping this whole place lit is actually just an unreasonably bright desk lamp. Just one desk lamp? 50 exact keys? How much is this? 24. Okay. Okay, so the last move I'm gonna want to do is grabbing that exact key. So I'll get down to 1 and open that door to win! Yeah! This 2 exact key will get me through there. But first, I'm gonna need to... Hang on. Well, I have none, open that up. So I can have 4. Use another 2 to open up that. That'll give me... Oh, give me a few more. 7. That'll do. Don't want to use an exact key yet. Because I want to get to 0 first, but no other options at this point. Because I should have just grabbed it earlier. Okay. 7. Ooh. Ah. Exact key. Open up all those while I have the chance. Yeah, I've done something very wrong. Okay, no, I don't want that. I want... have to grab the exact key, so I might as well grab it now. And now I have to get down to none. 15, 21, 13, 1. I feel like there's something I'm doing very wrong here. Okay. Ooh, I forgot how much there was. Okay. Stop saying okay. Okay. If I open up that... then I know. 'Cause... Note the 24 and the 3 8 keys. So... I get 8. Take that. That'll get me down to 5. down to 4, down to 0. While I have 0, destroy that. Oh, but I want to use the 2 exact key on that, so if I grab the 4 before, then I open up this. Now that all the 8 keys are open, I can grab all of them, 24, put them down to 0 and 1. Now we're up to 5, but that ain't a problem, because we're down to 2. Now we're up to 50, but that still ain't a problem, because we got 1. Nice. Combination lock. This sounds difficult. Pretty long line of numbers down there. Wonder what its story is. Perhaps someone needed to remember a password for something, so they put it into the form of a puzzle. Alternatively, you're reading too much into things. Surely I want the 4, and then to open up the 4. And then I open up the 5 with the 5. What's the plan here? When are they gonna throw the— oh, whoops, we got you at me. Still waiting for it. Oh, whoops, we got you. There was the eye— whoops, we got you I was waiting for. I need to first up with the 6. So I use this 2 at the end to open up that one. That'll get me right through there. The 3. Can I mix the 4 with the 2? Hang on. If I do that, and grab the 4. Don't want the 4, so I grab the 5. That'll open up that as well. And I can get 8. That'll open up this one, because it's the only chance I have to open it. Then for the 6, I'm going to open up the 2 down here, and then I'm going to open up the 4 up there. And for the 3... oh, but I need an amount of glass keys to open that door. Fabulous. Okay. So, 8 keys, 7 doors I definitely need to open. I can go for one or either of those. So there is one I can skip. Just wasn't that one. And I have to use the 8 key on that because it's the only time I ever have that much. And the 4, if I use the 4 on that, then I have the 5 to open that for the next time when I get the 8, when I have to open this. and it puts me back down to 0. Now with the 6, I can open this. But I don't want to open that. I can open this though, just for the fun of it. That was fun. Except it wasn't fun, it was so I could do that. Now that I have 2, I can open up that. Now, who cares how much I have left? Last door! Last door was the last door. Except it wasn't because there was 2 more. Yeah! Oh, okay. Guess we're moving on to Wooden Impasse. Here we go, the letter levels. Fabulous. Okay. So there's a cyan blast door. This is just great. Okay. I grab the cyan key and that'll open up both of these. Open up that. I need the white key and the blue key. Oh wait, no. I need the white key, but I need another pink key if I'm gonna get through. So I do that instead. So it still leaves me with enough. Now I go through there. Hang on, what? Wait, what? How am I supposed to have enough? Because there's 4. But I can't open that without it. So what if I just don't... I can't just not... Shut up. But to ever get enough, you need to open the orange door. To do that, I need to open the cyan door. Which the only possible resolution to all of this I can see, don't open this door. But you might be asking, well, how do you solve it without that door? I don't know. Guess what I just did? Something incredibly stupid, just like you always usually do, you stupid idiot. Can't believe you'd say that about me. Yes, you were correct. Because I can destroy that. Then I open that. Then I grab this. because now I still have that. Ooh, right. Where am I going to get the extra pink key from? Not opening that door. But then how am I going to get the extra white key? I don't know. Oh my god. Ooh. What if? Just keep tunneling down to that one. When I reach it, just open that one. White key. Then I get one pink key. Give me one white key. Give me another pink key. Like that with a pink key. And then with that, I can finally open up this one with the final white key. We're in. Nice. Freebie. Elegant zeros. Oh, these better be elegant. Ooh, 0 keys? Yeah, that's a blast door. Sorry about that, but that's a blast door. There is a distinction. I don't need any keys to pick one of them up. Because to open up a blast door, I need something beforehand to get it. That's the only distinction I can think of. I want to open as many things as possible. Before I get the dreaded 0 keys. And I might as well just do that while I have 0. Can you believe it? A whole 0 keys just for me? Can't believe it either. Okay, so we can't get the white key without the white key, so we're gonna have to go in from the other side. Obviously we grab that. I have 2 of those, so let's use them up first. And 0 of those, use that. Oh. So just don't. Now I can grab it. Don't worry, I'll get one back later. Now I get the purple key. Get white key. That, can get both of those. Don't do that. And boom. Level done. Woohoo! That means 2 levels to go. Those were some very elegant zeros, I do have to say. Bad choices. Better not be another, like, double level. Oh dear. Hang on. One thing that's weird to think about is that if you change the colour of the orange keys to white or the cyan keys to purple, I thought the puzzle wouldn't change. Despite that, I think it's nice to have some unique colours to distinguish every puzzle. However, it's not all keys are the same, as you'll soon find. Oh yeah, that one's an exact key. Stuff I'd have to grab that. Now what? Many options. I have to get 0. So surely I'm gonna want to go this way first. So I can 4, 8. That one. There it is. Found it. But how am I gonna get to it? Because surely first I'm gonna have to destroy that. And boom. And destroy another 2. Boom. I need to destroy 4. Alright. Huh? Oh. Right. Yeah, silly me. Oh, there's a blast door down there. That could really help. I'll get rid of the walls first, and then I'll use the blast door. This is surely when I'll have to use it. Now I've got to remove the walls while I can. I'll still trying to keep my key amount pretty low. That'll be 8. Up to 15. Ah! That's only a 6. Okay. I was thinking that was an 8 the entire time. Okay, you know what, just reset. Okay. What do I do? Only 37 minutes into this and only 2 more levels, but it's C and D, so I wouldn't count on it being short. Grab a 4. And with a 4 I can destroy 2. Make sure to go for those 2 so I can destroy this one. You know what? No, I go straight for the blast door. That's the plan. Now I destroy these 8. And get why I'd have to do that. Boom. Now I just have to do... Oh dear. Now, here's the problem. Go back to before I did that. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Plan is... break that one and that one first. So I can get that straight away. Just at the earliest opportunity. Because I know I'm gonna have to do the thing. So grab this. Huh. Now grab that. Now run straight to that blast door. Open up all these. Might as well. No, I might not as well. Okay, 22. Down to 14. That is 12 in total, no. I'm not touching that. 10. Oh dear. Oh, I have to get as many keys as I can as possible before I get this. Okay. I have to remove all the keys I can. Let's see. I should be very specific about the ones I open. Okay, so ones I'm definitely gonna have to open are gonna be this one. This one, just so I can get the keys up. I can destroy that one so I can get the keys up there. Then keep moving. I have to destroy a few. Oh, I definitely have to destroy that one to get to there. Grab that. So now we have 4, 8, 16, 24. Yeah, that's it. Wait. Oh dear, I just removed 2. $27 now. I've already removed everything I need to. What difference would it make? Adding an extra 4 to the total. Oh dear. Because that puts me back to 0 there. Hang on. Just reset. Okay. Because immediately what I have to do is I'm gonna have to remove that so I can even get to the blast door. What if I didn't blast those ones, but instead went for... What's the point of the 6 anyway? Because 4 is 8, it's 24. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, did I count? 8 times 2, 16 plus 6, 24. Funny that, isn't it? Yeah, okay, so we've got the plan. We're gonna use the 8 on that one instead. That'll do it. While still trying to remove as many keys as possible before... So we have that one, have that one. Opening that one will give me another 4. Again. 2, 2. I miscounted. No, this could still work. I'll remove that one now. So I have 10. And then I do the thing. Because there's still 8 remaining. If I do that, can get rid of those. Only one of those. Oh no. Hang on, before I grab that. Yeah. That'll do it. That's what I needed to do. Yep, that's the win now. Just have to destroy everything now. And then with one little one left, you. Okay, that's probably one of my favourite levels. Yeah, I really like that one. Next up, Fullerton Nightmare. Never mind. Oh dear. Hehehe. Oh, it's nothing, you know. It's just... I bet these keys are made of 0-carat gold. Oh dear. This level looks to be something. Seems like you can use... Seems like how you use those master keys is going to be very integral to the solution of the puzzle. One goes there. That's for sure. It's like I can't even do anything. Now that might seem stupid. Nothing else, that just might seem stupid. Let me just... Okay, so I've got 3... Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm back. What was I doing? Right, yes, this. Oh, I'm gonna have to destroy that, right? No. What if I destroy that? Aha! If I do that, then I destroy this with that. When I do that, I think that'll be how I do the start of it. Oh dear. I've done something wrong, that's why I didn't want these. There we go. Just master key this. Master key first two. I'll leave that for now, for just in case. So we have 24. Do we need to use every single one of them? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 20. I'm getting 20 on the counter here. What's up with that? Let's see. 5 plus 1 is 6, 12 is 18 is 24. No, I'm getting 24 on the counter this time. We're all good. Oh, I know. Yeah. Hang on. Return. That's what we have to do there. Oh my god! Okay. Don't even know how I pressed R. What did I do last time that gave me so many stuff options? Was that I used that on that? Probably was.
me. Because now I have 9. 79. Yes, that's it. That's the numbers we want to see. But how many of these? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did I count those? Okay, let's see. What was I doing? Alright, I was just realizing I'd done something wrong. I'm gonna need to use the master key on those, aren't I? That's gonna solve it. Wait, no it's not. Is it? No. Wait, because there's a 6 there anyway, because that would get me up to 17. So that'd be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, yes, okay. So where do we use the other master key then? Four plus 8 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. I don't get what we do with the other master key. Because there's enough to do everything. Just use it on... no. What if the answer is to just not? Done all the maths and it seems like that's the solution. Right, hang on. Not yet. Yeah, that was the solution. It was a trick. Okay, yeah. That's it. World 3's completed. That was surprisingly quick. When you stuff back at home. Oh, or not. So, how long am I going to be here anyhow? You can technically leave anytime, but it's probably going to be at least a few days. Guess I'll be leaving Marlon home for a while. I guess. Partner in shenanigans. Something like that. Got it. We've lived together for quite a while. Got the ambassador stuff. Big Nito. How do I there we go. Where will I be heading next time then? To the Starlit Temple. Oh, there's more. A way out? Oh no! Papa is you reference. The final platforming challenge. The entire time. This was Celeste. Oh no. Nope. It's even the Papa is you flowers falling down. Like, literally, you can't get more than that. Wait, no, the Papa... Do the Papa is you flowers have, that many petals? Like, even the doors make the same sound still there. What's over here, anyway? I look, I get a little yellow star for being so cool after I've done it. That's just me. Next time we'll be going to the Starlit Temple. Goodbye.